This is just how we found our SR Spartan runs best with our CSS kit on it. We put the battery all the way up the front, right up against the foam here. Seems to like that, keeps the nose down. They're pretty light, so they tend to want to blow over a little bit. So a little bit of weight in the front is good since everything else is in the back. And we set the stinger, hopefully that doesn't fall, set the stinger level with the base of the boat, or the hull I should say. So you can see that gap there, pretty consistent the whole way down. And the trim tabs just touching, it's a bit hard to get the camera in here, but just touching the edge of the ruler here, or whatever you're using as a straight edge. So they're both the same. This one might be a little bit easier to see. Just skimming, that one might be just a tiny bit more down, but around there will be good. And if anything, we say run the stinger just a touch down on what we have here. We're trying to just sort of working out what's going on, to be honest, but this has been really good so far. It is a little bit out of the water most of the time, but yeah, on a smooth run, it's good. A little bit rougher, we tend to knock them back down a little bit.